In the Rococo review of robotic ruses, where EAs extol endless equities yet engender empty exchequers, I've been the wry ringmaster reigning over the Pocong Gold EA on my account for months. And zounds, it's haunted my trades with plus 3,842.34% gains with the panache of a parodic spectral scalper conjuring gold ghosts. A Telegram tattler trumpeted it as the gold EA that turns XAUUSD specters into spectral spoils. And after its droll dominion over drawdowns, I'm bound to burlesque this bounty. Hearken to my review of this Pocong Gold EA slinger of sizzles. The zip folder for the Pocong Gold EA disrobes with ghostly decorum. A brisk right-click and extract here liberates the EX4 file in seconds. No instructions or readme, just the bare essence. I ferried the EX4 to MT4's Experts Enclave, refreshed with relish, affixed the Pocong Gold EA to XAUUSD on M30, and it commenced its ethereal trades forthwith. No tantrums, no tardy DLLs, merely the elegance of expedience. Peruse MyFXBook as one might a scandal sheet of gilded hauntings, and there the Pocong Gold EA parades its plus 3,842.34% absolute gain escapade, ballooning deposits into $8,080.20 balance with spectral profits amid withdrawals. Daily 0.24%, monthly 7.43%, reflecting steady apparitional growth, yet the equity curve at 100% around $8,112.34. Bemuse's manual traders flatlines with a bold ascent peaking at $49,312.01 on November 17th, keeping drawdowns at an eerie but contained 37.96% thanks to its adaptive mastery on gold. Profitability glows supernatural, with longs at 660 trades netting, plus 57,000. 778 pips and shorts, 563 yielding minus 26,000. 318, overall 1,223 trades on XAUUSD alone. Average wins plump, losses reigned by the Pocong Gold EA's integrated filters that tame volatility without martingale madness. Get this, net profit $71,852.89 after interest deductions. That's the edge that compounds with ghostly speed, sans reckless overtrading. Drawdown hits 37.96%, yet equity held with resilient wisps, risk of ruin reduced to ridicule. Profit factor robust more than redeems any chill. For every dollar risked, you're reaping reliable returns. Commissions? Zero in the stats, effortlessly eclipsed by the high expectancy, hold times average fitting for M30 captures. Advanced tabs reveal gold-only focus with 46% wins overall, but massive pip hauls. Positive ZA score proving consistency. Forecast projects strong non-compounding growth to $787,380 over 10 years from $8,112.34. No fanciful fables, just projected riches. Monthly analytics, a dominant May 2025 bar at $6,658.57 amid yearly climbs. It's not merely surviving noise, it's summoning through it, granting me leisure to relish wins instead of chart vigil. If you're after gold bots that deliver over 3,800% without habitual heart attacks, this Pocong Gold EA is the undisputed spectral deal, hands down. Alright, let's go to the backtesting part quick. Fired the Pocong Gold EA on MT4 with every tick data on XAUUSD M30 last month. And solid numbers. Initial deposit $10,000. Total net profit $1,004.30. Gross profits $2,600.76. Outpacing losses negative $1,596.46 for that positive edge. Okay, total trades 4,340, balanced with profit trades at 38.65%. Win rate sturdy at 39.40% on shorts and 36.8%. 8% on longs overall. Average trade plus $0.23 with max. Drawdown tame at 18.48% relative. Swift spectral entries, no wild swings, perfect for live confidence. So, wrapping this up, if the Pocong Gold EA has you as pumped as it has me after months of hands-on gold haunting, head over to our website where this specific bot is available right now. Full details in the description below, including that instant download link for the set file. To stay in the loop on updates, performance tweaks, and more insider tips, just join our Telegram group. It's the spot for real traders chatting Pocong Gold EA strategies. Links right there too. Alright, that's my take. Happy trading, folks.